All right, we're warming up our feet. Just follow along. 6, 7, touch up and down. 8 times. Stick it down, 8 heels. And we're gonna switch and do that with your left. 8 touches. Right knee stays bent. 8 heels. 2, 3, 4. Back to your right. We're gonna cut it down to 4 touches, 4 heels. Left side 4s. Touches, then heels. Here's 2 on your right. Touch, touch, heel, heel. You got it. Again, 2s. Now we're just gonna do step, heels, ball, heel, ball, heel. Speed it up. Step, heel, step, heel. 8 digs. So we're starting the pattern over, but now we're gonna tap. So we're doing digs and taps. Switch it to your left. 8 digs. Right knee stays bent. 8 taps. You got it. Back to your right. 8, 4. Now 4 digs. I can count. Tap. Back to your right. 2. Dig, dig, tap, tap. Dig, dig. 2s again. Slow dig, tap. Just 2 sounds. Speed it up. Dig, step. So now we're going to hit that heel and pull it back. Dig, step, dig, step. If you want, we're going to add a brush. Dig, brush, step. Dig, brush, step. So you're just pulling that ball tap back. Right toe goes back, hitting the tip of that toe. You got it. Toe step. Slow it down. We're going to go toe, heel, step. This side. Toe, heel, step. A little faster. Go. Toe, heel, step. Toe, heel, step. Right, left, right. Speed it up again. Toe, heel, step. Toe, heel, step. Or just keep the toe step. Back to dig step. So we're hitting that heel. If you want, add the brush. Dig step. Hit the heel. If you want, add the brush. You got it. We're going to do 3 shuffles. 2, 3, then step. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Step to the side. 1, 2, 3. Step. 1, 2, 3. To the front again. Step together. From here, we're just going to do quick shuffle, step, right and left. Shuffle, step. You got it. Dig, step. Woo! Add that back brush if you want. Regular toe back step, toe step. If you want to add the heel, you can go toe heel step. Back to dig step. Isn't that heel? Add the brush if you're ready. Dig brush step, dig brush step. Toe back. We're almost done. Toe heel step if you want. Toe heel step. Last one. Very, very nice. If you'd like a breakdown of these steps, I have a tutorial for that that's linked down in the video description. So go check that out. Thanks for tapping with me.